Welcome to Shannon's Baked World 2018 time. This video must have been for some kind of darn reason. It must have been have a required weekly test. And this is also my WR302. I don't think it says it on my Radio Shack. It doesn't look like. But it does on my both Midlands. See? Whoa. I didn't hear no foul tones. That is even weird. I don't know why. I'm wondering why. But it says required weekly test, I guess.
Conditions were observed Tuesday and are expected to continue through Thursday. A cold.
So we just lost this. It still says the advisory. The message is gone.
Forecast for the Rappahannock.
Yep, it still says required weekly test. I did not even realize there was going to be a required weekly test. Oh well, let's wrap this up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, everybody. Like this video. Leave comments down below. And press the notification bell so you don't miss any reveals. Yoo-hoo!